Hello! Once again, I'm going to be walking the river. It's a little deeper than last time, but there's quite a lot of rubbish I've seen, so it needs clearing out. And, well, it's been a rather wet winter, so I haven't had any opportunity to do so. I'm not calling today a great opportunity, but it's an opportunity before it rains again. So, I'm going to give it a go and try not to get soaking wet. See how it goes. And what better for our first piece of rubbish than a vape that I can't get out. There we go. Like a chunky one. Horrible things. Oh look, that was another one. And whatever that is. Cool. Rightio, we're taking about 5 more steps and filled a lot more of the bag. So that's quite a lot of rubbish to begin with. Oh, it looks like there's something down there as well. Grab that. I can't. I've only got 2 hands. A few bits wrapped around this big old branch. Oh no, I've lost my I've lost my microphone cover. Pish. Well, I was out to go clear up my bag. Oh, that's not the bag. That's the outside. Yes, I've gone out of the water to empty my bag and, well, just some bits around where I got out, so picking them up. Okay, so I've rejoined on the other side of the bridge. I don't want to go under the bridge, but I'm kind of hoping my microphone cover might have just floated to this bank. If not, I'm gonna have to get a new one. Not ideal. I don't want to add to the litter. That's not what we were doing today. Oh well. I knew there was something here. I spotted a turd here. It's a DVD? Oh, what is it? It is World War Z. World War Z. It's got Brad Pitt on the front. It feels like it's got loads of mud in it. As well as all of that. Oh. Well, that's had its time. That looks lovely and stagnant. We also have this here. I suppose I can fit that in the bin. Looks like there's other stuff tangled in here as well. That doesn't look like a branch to me. It's not. I don't know what it is. It is oh no. Okay, I'm not going to risk the wear, but we've got another good load of rubbish. And again, once I've gone out, the state of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of rubbish right there. And I can see more. Got our first plastic bottle. Don't get many of them because they already just, whoa, that was a lot deeper than I thought. They just float down. I must say, I've come back from China after my 2 weeks, and spring has begun in Buxton. Had a little teaser of some sunshine, although I think in the next few days it's trying to threaten to snow again, which sums up our weather. But please don't snow. I want some sunshine, please. Oh, we've got like a... How appropriate of me talking about China. We have like a bamboo basket. Okay, that's weird. What a weird thing to find in the river. This bag is getting quite full, and obviously we get the problem where there's a fence here now. We have a second bag, if I so desire to use it as such. Again, I only have two hands, so it's not going to quite work. Sorry, I'm sinking. I wanted to try and grab the bag. A bit of a lean. A wicked bag. Wicked sick. I could put my bin bag in that. That's massive. Oh, that's black. Oh dear. Black clay inside of there. Must have not picked that up last time. Bag of baby wipes. It's either full of baby wipes or it's full of something else. Ooh. Yeah, let's just start using the bag now. Now back to my little haven of bottle hunting. Look, and it's intact. Every time I come here, I find more stuff. Assume the current takes new things down and wipes away the mud, reveals things deeper. Obviously, me picking out stuff probably helps as well. Very cool. That's a new one that I'm keeping. There we go, we've got another one. Maybe one that I picked up from last time. Because it's on the side like that. Could be, it couldn't be. No, I don't think I picked that one up before. Barker's and Company, Wine Merchants, Buxton. I'll have to confirm with VoiceOver-Me if that's the same one as the wine merchants that I've had prior, which is the Pond and Home on the High Street, or if it's a different one.
Rather interestingly, it's not. The other wine merchants that was on Spring Gardens is Denman & Co. And I do have a bottle from them from the last time I looked through the river. So this is from a different wine merchants, and Bakers & Company I couldn't find much online, having a quick look through. However, rather interestingly, I did find an article from the High Peak Golf Club listing Bakers & Company as one of the early suppliers to the clubhouse.
Oh, and from a lovely positive note to a negative one, that's a toaster. They don't belong in the water. Oh dear. Why? Who dumps a toaster in a river? It's been here for quite some time actually. There's a lot of mud. Wow, that's heavy. And we're going to have to switch to my good arm for that. Oh, the mud in there. Wowzer. Okay, so it's out of the water. Unless the river bursts its banks real bad, that's not going to go anywhere. I'm hoping maybe, might be optimistic, a council worker, when they cut the grass next, will spot it and pick it up, but I don't really have means of getting rid of that. Lots more cans the further we go down. In the bag. You go. We've got a construction bag in there now. And whatever's that in the distance. Whatever's that? Whatever that is in the distance. Alrighty, we are sinking. I just picked up the bag to take it over the log. It's very heavy now. We've got so much plastic in there. I'm a little worried on how I'm going to get it out of the water. But we need to find a way out now because, well, it's only going to get bigger. The fence goes a long way. Oh, I've taken that big construction bag out as well. We'll find a way out, I'm sure. Now, this might look ridiculous, but because it's all plastic and it's all sodden, it's one of the heaviest things I've attempted to pick up. I've managed to obviously get it out of the river using leverage and dragging it up the hill, but thankfully it's a very sturdy bag, so it's doing a great job of me dragging it. I have to drag it all the way across to the nearest bin, which I'm not going to try and shove it in the bin, I'm just going to put it outside. But that's, well, we've got a few hundred metres to go. People must look at me like I'm a fool. We have deposited said bag. Now, I've got a bit of a dilemma, so I don't want to finish up here. So, ow! As much as I've probably been going on for 2 hours maybe, I don't know. Time flies when you're dragging rubbish out. Well, I can move that at least. But there's some trolleys. Oh, that actually. You know what? Never mind. That's very deep. I'll take that back. We'll do the trolleys another time. Oh, it's completely empty. Expected that to be heavy. Just, you know, this used to be a beautiful park. What happened? Many things have happened. Well, I suppose on that note, that's it. I can't really do much more. I travelled pretty much all the way down the river, close to the weir, because it was just before that bridge. I looked in, there was a couple of things under trees, but there wasn't that much. I mean, we've done all the wicked bag. I've got to pick up the construction bag and whatnot and put that next to a bin, or try and shove it in. And the bin bag I emptied earlier, so you know what, it's not been that bad. The screen and the lens is probably quite muddy. Don't know if you'll be able to see me, but thank you very much for watching. A huge thank you to all my supporters on Ko-fi, and until next time, ta-ra.